Okay, once you log in to your Science Online account, you're going to see a page similar to this. So we are starting the solar system and beyond. You guys already read a little bit on Kids Discover, so now we're going to use Inspire Science too. So every time, once you sign on, you'll see this page. You're always going to click here. Like I just said, our unit now is the solar system and beyond. So I'm going to click on that. For today, Monday, April 27th, you're going to be looking at the module opener since it's the first time that we're seeing this unit. So once you click on it, you can watch this video here if you want. It just explains a little bit. Right here, the lesson resources. So if you wanted to see any of the images, sometimes they'll have games there. That's where you can find it. I want you to click on the student lesson. So your assignment for today is to do pages 265 and 266 in your Be a Scientist notebook. So you have the actual notebook with you at home, but I wanted to show you where you could find it online too. So they give the vocabulary for this module. Remember, we're just starting out, so you may not know all the definitions yet to this. If you need to look at the science notebook pages, you can click on that. You do not have to do page 264. You do have to do this page 265. And then when you move on in the lessons, you're going to obviously change the lesson. So that was just the module opener. If I wanted to do lesson 1, I'd click here. Again, you can go to student lesson. This is where it explains the entire lesson for you. They give the notebook pages here. You can move along here. It basically breaks the lesson down into different parts. So here again, you can find the science notebook. It gives a little bit about like the STEM career connection that we sometimes talked about in class. Here is more of the science notebook. When you get to the explain part, that's where you can find the science handbook. So that's your textbook. You guys don't have your textbook with you at home. So anytime you need it, go to the explain tab and you can find the science handbook. So you can search the pages down here whenever you need to read pages. You can either just click the arrows or search for them. Either one is fine. So that's where you guys will, this is where you'll need to look anytime you have a science assignment. But again, any workbook pages will be done in your actual workbook that you have with you. But when you're assigned reading, you don't have your textbook, so you'll have to read on here.